Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: X-ray vision for your network, Wireshark and packet analysis. Ever had your internet suddenly slow down or an app just refuse to connect, leaving you scratching your head? It's like your network is speaking a secret language, and you're totally out of the loop. On my journey to become a data center engineer, figuring out why things go wrong is super important. Today, we're grabbing a superpower: X-ray vision for our networks. Imagine being able to see every tiny piece of information zipping across your network, literally. Every single digital letter, package, and memo. That's Wireshark. It's an incredible, free tool that lets us peek inside those network packages called packets. Think of it as the ultimate X-ray machine for your data, showing you exactly what's inside and where it's going. Basically, Wireshark puts your network adapter, the part of your computer that talks to the internet, into promiscuous mode, which sounds way more scandalous than it is. I promise. It just means it listens to all the traffic it can see on your network segment, not just the stuff addressed directly to your computer. It then captures these packets and organizes them so we can actually understand the chaotic dance happening behind the scenes. This isn't just a cool party trick. Wireshark is absolutely indispensable for troubleshooting. Is your website slow? Is that application not connecting? Wireshark can show you if a connection is failing, if packets are getting lost, or if there's a weird protocol negotiation happening. It's like finding the exact leaky pipe in a massive plumbing system. Plus, it's amazing for learning how networks actually work under the hood, demystifying abstract concepts. When you first open Wireshark, it can look a bit intimidating, a flurry of columns, numbers, and colors. But don't worry, we'll break it down. You'll quickly learn to spot things like the source IP, where the packet came from, destination IP, where it's going, the protocol being used, HTTP, DNS, TCP, UDP, and even a summary of what's inside the packet. It's like looking at a super detailed manifest for every tiny shipment passing through. In our next video, or in a future segment, I'll show you how to fire up Wireshark, start a capture, filter out the noise, and spot some common network traffic. We'll send a ping, maybe browse a website, and see what DNS requests look like. It's truly incredible to see these abstract concepts like TCP handshakes and HTTP requests visually represented as they happen in real time. With great power comes great responsibility. Because Wireshark can see so much, it's super important to use it ethically and legally. Only capture on networks you own or have explicit permission to monitor. We're learning to be top-notch engineers, not digital snoops. It's all about troubleshooting, understanding, and securing our networks, not invading privacy. Wireshark is best learned by doing. Download it. It's free and cross-platform. Fire it up, and just observe your own network traffic. Play around with filters. Look at different protocols. You'll be amazed at what you discover. This is a fundamental skill for anyone interested in networking or cybersecurity, and a huge, exciting step on our data center engineer journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.